Here's where you can go to turn on read notifications aloud on your Galaxy Watch 7 or the 7 Ultra. To enable read aloud notifications, use the quick access by swiping down from the top here and tapping on the settings icon right there. Once you do that, that'll take you to the main settings of your Galaxy Watch 7. Then go down until you see notifications right there. As you enter here, you'll want to go down until you see advanced settings right there. And now that you're here, you'll go down to the second option, which is read notifications aloud. Tap on it one time, that'll take you here, and at default, it will be set to off. If you wanted to just read it briefly, like just give a quick description of things of how it is, you'll of course need to enable your Bixby so your notifications can be read aloud. And then you also got it to read it in details as well. So this is kind of like Siri on an Apple Watch reading out your notifications, but instead in the Samsung Watch, it's the Bixby feature, okay? And of course it says here works only when headphones are connected directly to your watch and Bixby is enabled. So if you want this to work, you gotta have those all set up there. But that's that, like and sub.